भारत का उद्धार करेंगे, कभी किसी से नहीं डरेंगे। भारत का अभिमान है, अभिमान है, अभिमान है। अमर हमारी धरती माता, अमर हमारा गान है। नई नई गंगा लाएंगे, प्रेम भरी गाने गाएंगे। नई नई गंगा लाएंगे, प्रेम भरे गाने गाएंगे। हम सब हिल-मिल कर खेलेंगे, अंबर से मोती ले लेंगे। फूलों की मुस्कान है, मुस्कान है, मुस्कान है। अमर हमारी धरती माता, अमर हमारा गान है।
नमस्ते, मैं प्रद्युम्न श्री आज आप लोगों के सामने एक पेट्रियोटिक सॉन्ग पेश करने जा रहा हूँ।
जिसने भी फैलाया होगा कोई विदेश, ये वक्त नहीं जीत गए हमें हर हाल में, डॉक्टर ने उसे लेके सबको साथ में कदम उठाए हमने, बार बार हाथ रोके, इससे भी नहीं हुआ तो एक दूसरे से दूरी बना के अभी बंद कर लिया घरों में अपने को, आगे भी रहेगा जारी। आप भी करो, दूसरों को करवाओ, अगर जान है प्यारी। जितना भी ताकतवर हो ना ये अदृश्य शक्ति, डरेंगे नहीं हम सब कभी एक रत्ती, बस हमें मिलकर संभाल कर लेना है कदम, कोरोना में नहीं होगा हमें हराने का दम। जिसके मेहनत से डरा ये कोविड, वो सभी लोग आज हमारे बन गए फेवरेट। सलाम करता डॉक्टर, नर्स, सफाई वाले और सरकार को, जिनके कारण हम सलामत अभी को। हम प्रार्थना करते भगवान से उन आत्माओं को शांति दे, जिनका जान गया कोरोना से। धन्यवाद। शुभ अवसर पर शहनाई गीत लेकर प्रस्तुत हूँ।
में रहते थे 3 सबसे अच्छे दोस्त, खरगोश, चूहा और हिरन। एक दिन जब खरगोश जंगल में घूम रहा था, तभी अचानक से उसके ऊपर एक पिंजरा गिर जाता है और वो चिल्लाने लगता है, हे भगवान, ये क्या हो गया? मेरे ऊपर ये पिंजरा कैसे गिर गया? ये क्या हुआ? तभी ऊपर से शिकारी लाल आ जाता है। हा हा हा, ये जाल मेरा है। हा 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 हा, नाम है मेरा शिकारी लाल, मैं करता नहीं किसी को माफ। आखिरकार तुम मेरे जाल में फंसी गई। हा हा हा। ऐसा बोलकर वहां से चला जाता है और वो और जोर से चिल्लाने लगती है, हे भगवान, ये क्या हो गया? ये क्या हो गया? मुझे अभी कौन बचाएगा? उसकी पुकार सुनकर चूहा वहां आ जाता है और बोलता है, दोस्त, ये क्या? तुम तो शिकारी लाल के जाल में फंस गई। अब क्या होगा? रुको, मेरे दांत बहुत नुकीले हैं, मैं इस जाल को काट सकता हूँ। तभी चूहा जाल को काटने लगता है और जाल को काट देता है और तभी वो दोनों खुशी खुशी जंगल में लौट जाते हैं। नमस्कार, ये था मेरा पपेट कारनामा। मेरा नाम शुभांगो दास है। स्कूल केवी कुंजवन नंबर 1, मैं क्लास 4B में पढ़ता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Good evening to all. I am Swarnali Vaidya from class 5 and today I have made a model on preposition. Here are 10 prepositions which are included in this model. So let's see what are those 10 prepositions which are included in this model. We are going to start with across. The house is across the road. In front, the car is in front of the school bus. In, the children are in the school bus. At, the bus is standing at the main gate. Between, the table is between the chair. On, the baby is sitting on the chair. Right, the swing in the garden is to the right. Around, the fence is all around the house. Behind, the tree is behind the house. Out, the litter is out of the dustbin. Thank you and have a nice day.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम निशा सिंह, मैं कक्षा 12वीं की छात्रा हूँ। मैं MHRD द्वारा आयोजित किया गया प्रतियोगिता में भाग लेने जा रही हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है गंदगी मुक्त मेरा गांव। धन्यवाद।
नमो नमः। मम नाम जयश्रीता भौमिक। अहं केन्द्रविद्यालय NIT अगरतलायां पठामि। सर्वेभ्यं संस्कृतसप्ताह संस्कृतदिवसः च शुभकामनाः। पठतु संस्कृतं, वदतु संस्कृतं। धन्यवादः।
Hello friends, my name is Manav Roy and today I am here to show you my new innovation which name is the automatic sanitizer dispenser. This sanitizer dispenser is fully safe to use. So now I show you my innovation. So this is my automatic sanitizer dispenser. This is fully automatic and fully safe because nowadays the soap or sanitizer which we have used in the normal bottles we have to use our hand to take out the soap or the sanitizers. So I made this to prevent the contamination. So for preventing that, I made this automatic sanitizer dispenser. So you have to just on it. Then there is a switch right here. Then I will turn this on. Now it's very simple. I have used this IR sensor, this Arduino Uno, this breadboard, some jumpers, a relay module, a submersible pump, and a water bottle. So I have to keep my hand right here, and this IR sensor will detect my hand and then pour the sanitizer in my hand. So here, as you can see, here is the sanitizer which has been poured in my hand. So this sanitizer dispenser is just a prototype and further improvements are left. Thank you.
starting the book review, I want to show you the book. So, this is the book, and the author's name is Sudhamu Murthy. And the title of the book is The Magic of the Lost Time. This is a very interesting book and also adventurous. Over 50,000 copies have been sold of this book. So let's start the book review. City girl Noe is surprised at the pace of life in her grandparents' village in Karnataka, but she quickly gets used to the gentle routine. Then involves herself in a flurry of activities, including paper making, organizing picnics, and learning to ride a cycle with her newfound friends. Things get exciting when Noe stumbles upon an ancient feeble stepwell right in the middle of the village. Join the intrepid Noe on the adventure of a lifetime in this much awaited book by Sudhamu Murthy that is heartwarming, charming, and absolutely unforgettable. I hope you like this book review. Thank you, friends.
জয় 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 হে জয় রাজেশ্বর father of Prathiman Mandal. My son Prathiman Mandal studying in class 10, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Kunjavan, Agartala. The online classes are going very smoothly, systematically and regularly. All the teachers doing their best for the betterment of the students. Beyond the regular classes, the students are being motivated to participate different co-curriculum activities such as quiz, paintings, essay writing, etc. As well as they are motivated to participate scouts and guides. All the teachers are doing their best for the betterment of the students. In this regard, one of my personal suggestions is that the frequency of class tests may be increased. That may be one test every week per subject may be conducted. That helps the parents to assess the outcome. Thank you all. My best wishes to all the students and teachers.
Jain, my name is Nafisha Jain Laskar and I am a student of class 10 of Kendriya Vidyalaya Dholchira, and I am going to talk about my online classes these days. We all know that online classes are not as effective as those classes that we attend in our school, but it's the only way to study in this lockdown period. I study online via Google Meet app, a video calling app. We have a WhatsApp group and also another app named Google Classroom app, in which our teacher shares us notes and assignments and we have to submit our work there. We have 3 classes per day. Each class is of 45 minutes and our teacher shares us links 2-3 minutes before the class starts. All the students join the class. Our teachers, they taught us regularly and provides us the facility to call or message them directly if there is any query regarding the topics taught. So these days I am not having any problem regarding my studies. So I prefer online classes as the best alternative in this lockdown period. Thank you.
Namaskar, I am Sarmishta Dev Biswas. TGT Mathematics Kendriya Vidyalaya Silchar is going to highlight some points on the challenges faced by me in conduction of the online classes. Teaching learning process through online mode is totally a new subject matter before me to confront my role as a teacher to some extent, and also a hard challenge to create real classroom environment in the virtual mode. Nowadays, we have been practicing the ICT classes with computers, laptops, visualizers, projectors, and iPads, etc. But these things were being used as the teaching aids. But now the challenge is these teaching aids are going to replace the total classroom teaching technologies. In this aspect, few questions arose in my mind as the challenges. Number one, how to get myself adjusted in this new system where I require sufficient knowledge of computer application. Secondly, how to make the concepts, that is the mathematical concepts, understandable to the teachers without chalk and blackboard. Third, how to control the classroom and motivate the students for the learning and also to monitor their activities. Fourth, how long this online process will continue. And fifth, how can we manage the classes when the whole system is depending on the smooth connectivity of the internet? Internet fails, means the classes will be off. These are the challenges I had to face. I had to motivate and guide the students to get connected through WhatsApp and Google Classroom. I also had to apprise the parents about the necessity and importance of these online classes and convince them to support their word at least with one gadget so that they can attend the online classes, because it is quite uncertain when a school will come into the normal process. Poor connectivity in some rural areas also resisted the children to join the classes, and also most of the cases we find that when the internet, due to poor internet connectivity, students are not able to attend the classes. In that case, as a remedial measure, we have to prepare our e-contents in the form of audio, video, PowerPoint presentations, etc. And they are to be made available to the students through WhatsApp and Google Classroom. Even in my case, I can say I had to create my own channel in the YouTube so that I can preserve my materials for the benefit of the students who are not reachable on time. But they can get the benefit later on as and when required. That means I had to devote a lot of time with full sincerity so that I can prepare the contents, I can conduct the classes, and I can make the materials available to my students. Other than this, I had to learn many things regarding computer, and then in this aspect I have to thank my principal Shri Amit Vaidyan, the computer expert, who have taken several meetings to make us aware of different applications of the computer which were unexplored till today, so that we can use them judiciously for the successful conduction of the online classes like Google Classroom, Google Meet, Google Form for evaluation purpose, online quizzes, etc. And also I am thankful to the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan because we are having the facility of the iPad, which is a wonderful device for conduction of the online classes. So here I find that some students, or most of the students rather, are genuinely cooperating for the successful conduction of the classes, but some are either intentionally or intentionally remaining absent. They are not attending the classes regularly. But by this time of few months, a good portion of the syllabus is already covered. So remaining absent from the class is a great loss to the students. However, a good effort is taken to move ahead with all the students together. We are hopeful that we will succeed in the coming days. But at last, I must say that a real classroom with the chalk and the blackboard cannot be replaced by any sophisticated online classes. Thank you.